officially parked up. I'm gonna go ahead and cover y'all up, get out of the car, and welcome back to another video. As y'all can tell by the change of scenery, and just the interior, we have a new car. We finally got us a new car on the channel, man, and we're back in the BMW family. Even though we never left, we still had the 335, but we are back in another BMW. So y'all comment down below right now and let me know what y'all think I got, man. Turn this music down. Hopefully y'all didn't hear that music. I don't want to get copyrighted. We are on the highway and we are behind the X6M right here, as y'all can see. So y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think I just purchased, man. Hold on. I hope you're not trying to get active right now. Hold on. Y'all stick with me. But we are in a new... Oh shit! Don't go off the road, fool. God damn. Can y'all even see him that good? I don't know. I gotta just fix my exposure. Alright, is that better for y'all? Let me get back to saying what I was saying. What do y'all think we're in? We're behind the XM right now. What do y'all think we're driving? What does it look like? What does it look like? As y'all can tell by the title, if y'all not excited as I am excited. Sorry if I keep repeating myself, man. This is the daily, by the way. This is just the daily. You know? Look at the seats. Look at the seats, man. We got I can't even pronounce it. It's German, whatever it is. I can't pronounce it. Y'all know the color. It's Tartufo? Tartufo? I don't know. Something like that. Y'all know in the comments. Y'all can read better than me. I'm very knowledgeable on cars, very knowledgeable on BMW, but one thing I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all about is pronunciation of these words. But yeah, man, I'm super excited right now. I'm driving the car home. It's gonna be plenty videos to come with this vehicle, plenty interior, exterior modifications already on the way to the house. Oh man, it's gonna be so great. And like I said, this is just the daily. This is the first pickup of the year. We have another vehicle we're currently looking at right now. So we possibly have 2 car reveals. Check them out. Super sick. But we're gonna have 2 car reveals this year. And I'm pretty sure y'all know what the other car is gonna be. I'm pretty sure. That's if y'all tuned in though. If y'all been tuned in with me, I'm pretty sure y'all know what the next car is going to be. This thing needs an exhaust immediately. Yeah, I'm excited to show y'all this car. If y'all thought about getting one, definitely get one. So I'm gonna stop all the yapping, walk around, introduce the car to the channel, and then from there we drop a banger after banger after banger after banger. Yeah, I know I haven't posted in like 7 months, so hopefully y'all still here. All right, we are officially parked up. I'm gonna go ahead and cover y'all up, get out of the car. All right, y'all think y'all ready for the car? You ready to see it? All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, we have a brand new X7 40i all-wheel drive BMW. Just got it. Show y'all the temp tags. Hold on. Show y'all the back. I just got the vehicle today. Brought it home, like I said, brought it from Roswell BMW, and it's immaculate condition. M Sport wheels. So y'all already know that comes with the M Sport package, which is this front grill, M Sport grill. Something new already on the way for the front portion of this car. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think that is. And this grill piece is closed. I don't know. I know a lot of people don't like it. I actually find that pretty cool. I don't know why. But yeah, man. Side profile. I'm already loving the truck. It's really big, and I wanted something big for a daily. Like I said, I wanted something really big, really huge, and fast. Like I said, all-wheel drive. Man, stock, this thing is, I'm telling you, you can line it up whenever y'all want. Stock, this thing is beating any SRT, any of them. I may need a tune and some downpipes for a Hellcat, but y'all bring y'all SRTs around here, y'all little Scat Packs and y'all little Track Hawks, y'all the Ringo SRTs, whatever the hell. Yeah, we got some smoke for y'all. You can see we have the interior Tartufo gray. I told y'all early in the video, it's hard to pronounce. I don't know why, but I just can't pronounce it. Yeah, man. Interior, we have the cabin seats, 2 seats in the back, 2 seats in the front. Alcantara roof with, hold on. If y'all familiar with this truck, let me put this back. Like I said, if y'all are familiar with this truck does have a sky lounge at night, which the ambient lighting colors that you see, you know, at nighttime, it will be in the roof. So I will get a clip of that for y'all. If I can in this video. I'll probably get like a little quick V-roll, and then when it turns nighttime, I'll do that for y'all. But man, how do y'all like my new truck? I love it. I love this truck. I'm actually gonna pop the trunk for y'all. So as y'all can see, I've already made it to my local grocery store for some water, and I got my tote bag in the back already. Nice little tailgate in case I want to chill. Pop a little seat, sit right here and kick my feet. Nah, but it also has a 3rd row in the back that comes up. 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna pop that up. Just gonna enjoy having a huge space back here, and this closes back up just like that. Let's go get back in the car. Interior, massage sheets, heated seats, cool seats, everything, every 9 yards. The car drives itself. Harman Kardon sound system. It just don't stop. It just don't stop. And I found this car for a steal. I had to get it. Great car, great interior, great package. I love these seats. I hope in the other BMW that we get, it has these seats as well. But if it don't, I won't really trip because I have the daily. A lot of modifications coming. We're modding this thing crazy. Interior wise, exterior wise, under the engine. This is gonna be the fastest X7 that you guys ever seen, the coolest X7 you guys ever seen. We may just be going wide body on the X7. Yes, I said it, wide body. So yeah, let me give you a quicker look into the car. Like I said, it has the massage sheets here. You just go ahead, press your massage sheets right there. You know, you do all that stuff. The car does raise and lower right here. Right now it's on a medium setting. You can raise and lower. Oh, I got the massage sheets on, I forgot. But it does raise and lower, as you all do know. M Sport package everywhere, like I stated. The digital dash, obviously. Ambient lighting all through the back. We have diamond stitch seats, so is it not only so it's not only just the color, it's actually diamond stitch, and it's an individual BMW individual seat, as y'all can see. This car was packaged out pretty crazy. I have the package list. I'm gonna show y'all that in another video. The car, I didn't know, hold on, I also have a digital key. This is the new vehicle. This video is going to be pretty short, pretty quick, just introducing the car. So many videos. First modification already coming tomorrow already, so be tuned. Next video is awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for clicking on the video, and the hint for the next car is in the thumbnail. See y'all in the next video, y'all. Peace.